Hey, what's good, y'all? This is Original. So today I'm on my way to the Torreya National State Park, and I can't wait to see what sights I see. Um, and I'm just ready to experience nature. Like I want to get out there and get open, and let's see what we see. So stay tuned in. All right, y'all. So we pulling in to the state park. Right now we're climbing up, climbing high. First we went down and now we're climbing back up. So we're getting close, which I'm pretty excited about. All right, y'all, so we arriving here at the state park. So many trees, and I was looking before we actually made it towards the state park. They had all these big estates, big homes with large massive estates. Some look like they were like 10 acres big, with a home at the end of them. So, oh, here goes one. I mean, large, massive estates. And they're pretty nice. So we're almost here, guys. Pulling in now. See? We're entering the park. It already looks very massive, and I'm pretty sure it's massive from the all right, guys, so I done made it here to the park. It's so beautiful out here, and like it's amazing. So I'm walking up to this house, which I believe to be the house of one of the owners of the park at a time. Let's see what this says. The Torreya tree. So, see? Feels good out here. I'm wondering if this is open. It is so beautiful out here. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta figure out where the hiking trail is. Do some hiking too. I wonder if the house is actually open. See, still kind of old. Looks probably built in the early 1900s. Probably Wow. Look at this house. Definitely have to be like an old plantation house or something. Wow. It's dope. Let's see. Okay. So I can get this side right here. Oh yeah. Is it open? It was open. Nope, it's not. It's really nice out here. I definitely would like to see the inside of it. Is this part open? No. Oh yeah, it's open. Hello, how you doing? Good. Is the house open today?
It is not. It's only open during 4 times. So
Oh, okay.
on weekdays it's at 10 a.m. and then on weekends and state holidays it's at 10, and then we have a second one at 2.
Ah, okay.
So our next one's tomorrow at 10.
Okay. Well, here goes some of the. Oh, I gotta find the picture. Okay, there you go.
But now there are some windows where the curtains are pulled back. You're more than welcome to go up on like the porch and everything, and up to the windows and everything.
All right. Now, does any trail start over here, or did I pass them all already?
We do have some access trails. There's one that starts over here in this kind of corner area where that sign is right there.
Okay.
It's kind of, it goes down that way to like the right. There's a battery placement down there. It's just kind of like dugouts where they would keep like artillery and stuff like that.
Oh, cool.
And it kind of loops down at the river level kind of. And then you can either loop back around up here, or that actually takes you to the main trail. Or you can start on this side and it'll loop down and around that way, or you can actually use it and get on the main trail.
Okay, now the main trail is not the difficult trail, is it?
No, so
Because
you sound like me. I don't want nowhere near it. So we are right here, this little tiny triangle.
Okay, I'm shooting for YouTube, by the way.
Oh, that's fine. So this is the one that has the battery placement right here, and then it goes into our orange, which is the main trail. So you can take that one, or this one goes on that side, and it also goes down, and so this goes down.
So where are we?
We're this little
Okay,
dot right
the Gregory
there.
house, and then I take that trail, and then it goes around here.
Yep. And all these blue ones are connecting trails. So if at any point you want to get off, you can take one of these and get off. And then this is the one, the Stone Bridge. If you go down to the picnic pavilion area, it starts off to the right. You actually go down to the Stone Bridge, but then you will see a sign that will take you into the Toria Challenge, which is one way in, one way out only. And that's actually probably not accurate anymore. It's probably has a couple more miles added to it, because after Hurricane Michael, the trails got a little messed up, so it might take longer than 5.8 miles.
So y'all see that? It's still messed up from Hurricane Michael. And we just watched a YouTube yesterday that was 2 years old, and it was messed up then. Now I'm here, and this is March of 2023, and it's still messed up. So be aware of that when y'all come out here. And this lovely lady, what's your name?
Destiny.
And this lovely lady, Destiny, can help you out and guide you on your tour, all right?
And we also actually have a book of Hurricane Michael if you want to look at it.
Oh, really?
So it's like the aftermath of Hurricane Michael.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what it looked like.
Whoa.
It's down at the campground. That's the barracks building.
Oh, you guys have, there's the army here or something? The
No,
barracks?
it was at one point they used it, and if you actually go down into the campground, it's our registration office. But there's kind of like a little museum, is what we call it. So there's like a dugout canoe. So I would actually go and check it out if I was you. Go down to the campground, and it's the main big building in the campground. You can just walk in there. There's pictures and all kinds of stuff.
Okay.
And then that's what up here looked like.
Whoa.
Yeah. Then that's the campground.
Wow.
Kind of
It
before and
did
after.
some real damages for real.
Yeah.
I would think with all these trees that it would, you know, it'd be strong enough to withstand.
Yeah, we lost quite a few trees actually. And that's
And
kind of what
that's-
it looked like beforehand. And it had all them pretty trees and everything, and then of course that's what it looked like afterwards.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I think that might be it. No, that's actually the registration building. They
Okay.
actually had trees fall on it.
Wow. Okay. So you said go down that way, and
Yep.
then I'll be able to hit the trail. Is there? You have a map that I can
Yeah.
take with me?
Absolutely. And then if you want a Florida State Park book or read up on the Toria, birding, all kinds of different stuff, but we're right here.
Okay. And then what is this right here? What is all these
So
things?
these are like awards and stuff that the park got, State Geological Site. These are actually cannonballs
What
that we
the
have.
heck?
Mm-hmm.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Ooh. And then they just put like the lead and stuff in the middle.
Yep. And then of course we're a national landmark, and then this is what the actual Toria leaf looks like. It looks a little plasticky, but it's an actual leaf.
What? We're right here? Ah.
And then the trees themselves.
This is
there
a
are
Toria
markers.
leaf.
And there are markers. There are some Toria saplings down kind of that way in black cages.
Okay.
And then if you see them around the trail, normally they have black cages around them, so that way bucks can't rub their antlers on them, mess them up. And then when you go back down the pavers, there's some off to the right. It's kind of the sad looking ones.
Aw.
And then there is some off to the left. The Toria tree in itself is actually a really tall tree normally in nature, but there is a fungus that attacks them at about 10 feet. So once they hit about 10 feet, that fungus attacks them, kind of knocks them back down, but then they'll sprout back up and grow. So
Okay, well, I think I'm finna head on my journey. Thank you so much.
it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Original, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah, you can follow me on YouTube. It's The Original Vegan.
Oh, I love that. I love that. I'm gonna have to look that up.
Yeah, it's all one word. The Original Vegan.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, have a good day. Now, wait, one more other question. If I need to contact the ranger for anything, how can I contact them?
We do have a bunch of different numbers right here. So, of course, emergencies 911, but our park office here is that one.
Okay.
Campground, and then any after hours, that's our park manager's cell phone number and home number.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Look at this, y'all. Man, it's crazy. Wow. So here goes a big tree. Oh my gosh. This tree must have fell down when it fell down. And Michael. So I'm just constantly watching my step as I go through the trail. So no lie, I just started the trail and I'm already kind of nervous, but it's all right. We're gonna get through this. What the hell? Where the hell do I go? Wow. Look at this, y'all. Oh, I watch my step. So, we're still here, going through the trail. All right, you guys, so I'm back here on the trail. So we went around the loop over there by the Gregory house. We did that loop, which is right on the Appalachian River. And now I am headed towards the Rock Bluff Primitive Camp. So as you can see, we're headed down that way. And it's very beautiful out here. It really is. So nice. Guys, look at all the clay dirt. Look at all this clay dirt. Wow. Wow, look at the rocks. Y'all, so we about 2 miles into the trail now, and man, I'm just enjoying this walk and talk with myself and enjoying all the nature, even though these things keep crawling on me and biting me, but that's all right. I ain't tripping. Oh my gosh. So I'm on my way to a like a rock climbing area where it has a water fountain, or a waterfall. It has a waterfall and stuff like that, so that's where I'm on my way to. But yeah, y'all, so we see y'all soon as we continue on this beautiful trail. So now we are walking down the hill, down and inclining. Oh, gotta watch our steps. Oh, look at this. Wow. When I tell y'all that this is definitely a challenge, I'm appreciative of it. Y'all, if y'all ever want to come here, definitely be prepared with water, fruit, vegetables. I got it all with me in the backpack. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Whew. Oh yeah. Whew. Getting somewhere, y'all. Oh yeah. You can even camp. Wow. Wow. They have a little campsite where you can light a fire, tell some camp stories. Which I don't know about being out here late at night. I probably would head back. Let's take a break real quick. You know, just being able out here to sit in nature. Man, so dope. And I mean the air is so fresh. Like, oh my gosh. So next we'll be heading to the campgrounds, so I can talk to the rangers, get a little bit more insight. Hopefully have some dinner, some lunch. Look at this site, y'all. Like, wow. That's the Appalachian River. And it's huge. I mean, it's wide body. Like, what? Look at that. It's huge. All right, you guys, so I just found the most beautifulest thing about this park. I'm going down this trail and I'm like, all right, where am I going? I'm thinking I'm getting lost. And then I find this. Like, oh my gosh. Look at this. And as I'm coming down here, watching my step, but look at how big the Appalachian is. It's huge. This is huge. I have to say that this is the best part. So if you're on the Rock Bluff Primitive Camp Trail, you'll be able to actually see where it is. Now I wouldn't recommend getting in the water and going swimming or anything like that, because the rangers definitely told me that there are alligators in here. But I would definitely say you can put your feet in the water if you trust that. But other than that, just enjoy the views and the calming waters, and it's so soothing. So yeah, all right guys, so I didn't make it to the campgrounds. Looks like we're gonna have to come and visit again, but I did make it here to this beautiful Rockman place, and I just want to say thank y'all for tuning in. We're headed back to the car so we can go home because it's getting dark, and we don't want to be in a place like this at dark, especially when we're not camping out. All right, so thank y'all for tuning in. Peace and love. See y'all soon. Peace and love. Peace and love.
Hyphy got a heat, put it on repeat. I just let it read. I'm just feeling hyper now. Know the way that I'm living now.